At first I was afraid, I was petrified. I kept thinking I could never live without you by my side.
Monsieur le secrétaire, c'est quoi cette première soirée là?
Ça va, ça se passe bien, impeccable, une bonne ambiance. On va bien manger.
Bon repas?
Impeccable. Bien.
Ça va.
And so you're back from outer space. I just walked in to find you here without that look up on your face. I should have changed my fucking luck. I would have made
Alors,
you
José,
little key. If I had known for just 1 second you'd be back to bother me.
Gérard,
Now go, walk out the door. Just turn around now. You're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to break me with desire? Did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd lay down and die? Oh, not I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll be alive. I've got all my life to live. I've got all my love to give. I will survive. I will survive.